Thank you for joining us today. We do a cooking demo today is Greek cuisine. Put some gloves on, we'll make some meatballs. So,
Chef, it's really impressive that you actually give cooking lessons on board to the guests and be so open with the guests and so interactive with the guests.
oh, very good. Yeah. They're exactly the same size. How did you do that?
Hours of practice.
Wow, hours and minutes of practice. Right? I use the cooking demonstration that we have like today. We do a salute to Greek cuisine, traditional recipes in the traditional Greek fashion, and it teaches people how simplistic certain cultural foods can be.
How did you get started as a chef, and how did you get started as a chef on board a cruise ship?
Well, my culinary journey started when I was 14 years old, actually, in Dominic's Yorkshire House in St. Catharines, Ontario. And I enjoyed it so much that I went back the following Friday, and I stayed there for about 2.5 years. And so at 14, I started the culinary journey, and now it's 43 years wearing a white jacket.
You had me up there and making meatballs, but the way you do it, it's almost like an art.
I consider it as a teaching technique. The way that you promote people is through love and passion and compassion.
Joseph, it's a pleasure, and I learned a lot from you. And for those of you that are considering a cruise, Windstar Cruises, not only for the itineraries, the food is outrageous.
I want to thank you for joining us today for our salute to Greek cuisine.
Thank you.